Ever been working on a project with a team and needed to get the latest updates from a specific branch on GitHub? This video will walk you through, step by step, how to pull a specific branch from a GitHub repository. First, let's make sure you have Git installed on your computer and that you have already cloned the repository locally. The cloning process is essential. It essentially creates a copy of the entire project on your computer. The first step is to open up your terminal or command prompt and navigate to your project's local repository folder. Think of this folder as your working directory. Use the change directory command followed by the name of the folder where your project files are located. To access it, you'll know you're in the right place if you see your project's name in the command line. Next, it's important to fetch the latest updates from the remote repository. To do this, you will use a specific command. This command retrieves information about the remote repository's branches without merging them into your local branches. It's like checking the status of the remote repository. The crucial step is using the git checkout command to switch to the specific branch you want to pull. Replace branch name with the actual name of the branch you are aiming to work with. This essentially tells Git, hey, I want to start working on this branch. The most important step is to pull the changes. Finally, type in another command. But this time use git pull. This action merges the content from the specified branch in the remote repository and merges it into your local working branch. Make sure to include the origin and the branch name. After pressing enter, the updates should automatically download onto your working directory. Once git pull is complete, your local branch should now reflect the up-to-date state of the specified branch from the remote repository. You now successfully pulled a branch. This process ensures your local copy synchronized with the latest changes. You can now view the updated files, your co-editor, and continue working. You are equipped to collaborate effectively.